Pregnant women should be aware of certain foods to avoid. These foods can pose risks to both the mother and the baby. First, avoid foods that may cause infections. Raw or undercooked meat can be harmful. This includes rare steak, tartare, and cold cuts. Raw or smoked fish, such as sushi and sashimi, should also be avoided. Homemade mayonnaise and chocolate mousse may contain raw eggs. Unpasteurized dairy products can carry risks as well. Make sure to wash or peel all fruits and vegetables. Next, eliminate alcohol from your diet. Even small amounts can affect development. Caffeine intake should be limited to 200 milligrams a day. Fish high in mercury must be avoided. This includes swordfish, shark, and king mackerel. Highly processed and sugary foods can lead to complications. Lastly, spicy foods may cause heartburn. Carbonated drinks can also lead to digestive issues. Focus on a balanced and varied diet with fresh, well-cooked foods. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to encourage our work.